Kia ora, Jizza.
Kia ora. How are we feeling?
Yeah, good.
We into it? We're into it?
Ready to do something.
We're going to be starting off with our warm-up. We're going to be doing push-ups.
Push-ups.
Now you want those arms?
Okay. Honestly, if this doesn't make my voice stronger, I better be getting hot from this. Okay, mā te ahai tēnā.
I want that max effort and starting from now. Tahi. More volume means more power. That means you're going to make the team. Coming down.
Up.
Come on, I'm going to do it with you. Here we go. We're going to go for one more. Down. Yes, Sano.
Up.
Let's go. Need that volume up. Ready? Tahi. Up. Yes. Kia ora.
Jizza. I'm literally only doing this so Harrison stops stalking me. And if I get hot from it, then katapanga te tērā.
Aniwa's quite slender. So, you know, doesn't have as much tēnana to bellow.
Don't feel it here,
Yeah,
eh?
wow, you've seen all the big backs in Angitu.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. That's what I mean. See the
Fine,
energy?
fine.
Okay, this here is going to build our Bunda city up.
Now that I can get behind, Jizza.
Let's go. And down. Yes. One more.
That's crazy.
Nice.
How long is it going to take for anyone to look like you?
Everyone's different, bro.
We need ASAP.
How about we up the weight?
Hold up the weight.
Kia ora, yes.
You reckon?
Hey.
Bro, this better help me be louder.
Tērā tētahi kōrero rongonui. No pain, no gain. Down, controlled, as you're coming up. Down. Power up. Yes, I want one more like that, please. Come on.
Hup.
Come on. Harrison said you'd be better than this. Come on.
Harrison.
Whakanunu. Whakarai, you know, just bulk up, man. Bigger body, bigger voice. It's like a science adjacent thing, isn't it? You know, like you're a Mongan, eh?
Oh. Harrison.
Nice.
He's actually a psycho. Harrison literally set this whole thing up. That I can't. Okay, I've got a bit of an awe. Well, I just don't know what my taira is this year, and I feel like I've been trying to like figure it out for ages. And I feel like koenei taku wā tua like whārima e whanga ana ki te kapa, and I just want to make sure that ka toka taku taira o ka motuhake taku taira ki au anō.
I see. I think, well, when we talk about hāparatanga and that succession, I think that's what grounds me in being able to reassure you. The taira that I'm seeing at the moment, the hāparatanga is wasting all the butchtanga. The taira has already been wielded better than the butchtanga.
Taira.
Yeah, well, nei inga rā.
Iona rā,
Inga
iona rā.
Te koutou ki muri ai. Engari e nei rautou kua kuia. Kua hia ki te whakamau koro ai, te whakamau ki te hunai nā titi. That's all it is. But no, I just want to reassure you that your taira at the moment is shaping beautifully. The foundations that I'm seeing is great.
Love you, Mom. Me pono aku kōrero Harrison, ka rea te whakapono ki nei mahi.
Pono, respectfully, I actually don't think you know what you're doing.
Yeah, Taki, probably not.
Okay, don't be sad, guy. Okay, I don't like this version of Harrison. I like the annoying, hopeful one.
Yeah, I don't feel real Māori enough. You know, like, you guys don't understand. Like, you're both brown. I'm white. Like, it's different. It's a thing. You know, and then just telling people that you're a white Māori, they just kind of laugh at you. And, yeah, it's just hard. But doing this stuff, it's nice to feel a part of it, or like, a part of us. You know?
Wait, what? You're a Māori?
Off, Kamaya. Wow.
Come on, Harry.
Look, I don't want to lead Kapaka, you know? I just want to belong near it. That's why you travel from Tokorua every weekend to hang out on the floor. I thought that was weird. Oi.
Hey, te pai hare hona, look, you're still the Māoriest to us, okay?
Koia, I mean, you're still a little bit annoying, but you're our guy.
Guys, new agreement.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Fine. I'll keep doing the gym thing. Worst case scenario, I'll be hotter anyways.
You need it.
Interesting.
And I'll keep doing my voice thing. I mean, this is my 3rd time trying. Got nothing to lose anyways. So in saying that, we've got to do it.
No.
We got to put our hand in. We got
on,
to do it.
crazy.
Show me your Willie, Harry. Come on, we're all in this together. Tato, tato, tato. Over here.
Angitu!
I better be getting out from this, so I can get to each fashion shop.
Was it like our official handshake now?
Nah.
Did we just make anything?
It's a one-time thing.
Did we
That's
just
a
make
one-time
anything?
thing.